The Nasdaq 100 finished the week at a record high after Apple and a missing CPI drove the Nasdaq 100 up 3.5% on the week. The first trigger was Tuesday, with Apple shares hitting an all-time high after the iPhone maker announced its long-awaited push in AI at its developer conference on Monday. Apple introduced a range of new AI features during the event, including integration with OpenAI's ChatGPT. From the daily chart, we can see the Nasdaq 100 playing out its bullish flag pattern on the Apple AI announcement after price consolidated sideways since last Wednesday. We can see from Tuesday's S&P 500 heat map that Apple was an outlier on the day. Wednesday followed another leg higher, with price breaching this upper trend line at 19,320 after US CPI for May came in below estimates, highlighting easing price pressures. The price reaction to the CPI miss is clear from this chart. Additionally, the Fed kept rates unchanged on Wednesday, as expected, and said that modest progress had been made towards the central bank's 2% target. The Fed projected one rate cut this year, which is down from 3 rate cuts that were expected at the start of the year. Thursday was a pause day, despite producer prices unexpectedly falling, with the Nasdaq 100 edging higher, closing at yet another record high. Today's reversal, with price putting in an inverse hammer candlestick, suggests price is gearing up for another push higher next week. Further bullish consolidation forming after Wednesday's breakthrough on US CPI miss, as price remains near record highs. The Nasdaq finished the week up 3.5%, whilst the Dow Jones is set to finish down on the week. Money continues to flow into tech, especially when AI gets a mention like Apple did this week. In terms of levels to watch into next week, now that the upper trend line at 19,320 is clear, price has every chance of going for that round number, 20k. At that point, a pullback is very likely given the run in the index since the end of May, where price rebounded off that key trend line highlighted around 18,185. The Nasdaq 100 is up 8%. That is in the space of 2 weeks. Next week we have US retail sales on Tuesday and the Bank of England on Thursday. With that said, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. And I'll see you at the next one.